Hello my students, how are you? Get ready to do solve from volume number 1 book, lesson number 9, topic 4, make sense and preserve. No, multiplication about digit by digit. You can make sense of problems and keep working if I get stuck. You can also solve the multi-steps problems. You must use the table to find the answer. Solve as a chair. Natalia repeated a crate of oranges for shipment. She picked these oranges into layers. In each layer, she picked 6 rows. She picked 6 rows with 7 oranges. Each row. How many oranges did Natalia pick? Use equations to represent your work. We know 6 times 7 equals 42. And we have 2 layers in each layer. Yes, you can write 42 plus 42 also. So it will be 84 or 42 times 2 because we have 2 layers. Okay, or you can use this method, draw 6 times 7 42. We have also 6 times 7 42. 42 plus 42 equal 48. Look back. How did you find how many oranges Natalia picked in each layer? How do this begin help you to solve the problem? We have 6 rows of 7 oranges. Each row contains of 7 elements. Each element here orange. 7 elements. It is a 6 by 7 array. 6 times 7 42 oranges per 1 layer. There are 2 layers in the example. So we have 42 divided by 2 or twice 42 equal 48. Next question. Look at the next page. A store has boxes of video games for sale. In each box, the video games are 2 rows with 3 video games in each row. So total 7 equals 14. Total 3, we have 2 rows. Each row has 6 3 videos, and 2 times 3 equals 6. Look at here's the price here, $54. We can find the price. 54 times the 6, the number 6, and find the answer. Okay, we know 54 times 6 equals $9, and the price of each one equals $9. You will multiply the number again. 2 times 3 equals 6. 6 times 1 equals 54. 6 times 9. Make sense and previous. How can you check? Make sure the work and answer given above sense. You can raise the equation. We know 6 divided by 3 equals 2 and 6 times 9 equals 54. You can check work with your related factors. About tables 9. 6 times 9 equals 54. 12 friends went camping. All except 4 of them went on a hike. The hikers carried 32 water bottles. Each hiker carried the same number of water bottles. How many water bottles did each hiker carry? We know 32 divided by 4 equals 8. You can think about the tables, okay? The total of students was 12. We have 12 friends. 4 friends don't go to hike. Then 32 water bottle. First, I need to find the number of friends that I went on hike. If you study, you can preserve things on the strategy I'm using. We can solve here by using the strategy. The number of students, we have 12 friends went camping, all except 4. Meaning 12 minus 4 equals 8. Went to hike. The hikers carried 32. 32 divided by 8 equals 4. Then 32 water bottles. First, I need to find the number of friends. Asked about the explain how to find the first solve the problem. First, you can find the difference between the number 12 minus 4 equals 8. First, you need to find the number of friends that went to a hike. 12 minus 4 equals 8. Then, number 2, tell which operation you will use, then solve the problem subtraction. Because 12 minus 4 equals, and then we can divide it. Okay, then 12 minus 4 equals 8, and then 32 divided by 8 equals 4. The first operation, division or subtraction? Subtraction first and then division. Then the answer will be 4. Okay, next question. Make sense and previous. 4 students went to bowling. They bowled 2 games each. The cost was to $5 per game. How many? How much money did students spend on bowling? And explain what you know. Then explain what you need to find the phrase to solve the problem. We know 2 times 5 equal 10. The price of games, it will be total 10. We have the example for students. 2 games each, $5. First, I need to find the number of games bowled, and then 2 times 5, 10 times 4 equal 40. Then he must pay $40, okay? Because the number of students was 4. The simple answer multiplication, 4 times 2 equal 8, as the price of each one was 5, then 5 times 8 equal $40. Then the students must spend $40 on bowling, okay? Next question. How can you check that it's correct by the inverse about multiplication and the division? We know 40 equal 5 times 8 and 8 equal 2 times 4. Quantifier. The table shows costs is the quantifier. Miss Casey spent $24. Look at the question and you want to find explain the steps. On admission tickets, we have the price of adult and the child. The tickets admission $8 and boat rides $2 and the child $1. For himself and the children in his group, how many children are the group? Answer exercise 6 to 9 from this table. Okay. First question number 6. What do you know? What you asked to find? We have 24. We know 24 divided by 8 equal 3, and also 24 divided by 4 equal 6. And then we can add together 8 plus 4 equal 12, 24 divided by 12 equal 2. Then I know Mr. Casey spent $24 on tickets. All tickets are $8 each, and the child tickets are $4. Okay, from this table. We need to find how many children are in the group. Next question. Why is it important to know which kind of tickets Mr. Casey bought? It's important to know to find the difference. The tickets have different prices because we have different prices here. First $2 and second $1, and also about admission $8. It's different. We have the different prices. So knowing which tickets he bought helps you to find how much he spent. Next question. Ben says there are 6 children in Miss Carey's group because 24 divided by 4 equals 6. Does he good or is this answer correct? No, because we have child and adult in this example. We can find the number like 24 divided by 4 divided by 4 equals 6, and 24 divided by 1 equals 24 about the child. Then the answer here, we must divide the total cost of a child tickets. He has no figure in the cost of Mr. Casey's adult tickets. Reasoning here, solve the problem, write an equation in each step to explain. First step, we can find the difference. Look at the table. I will solve the example from the table here. Look at the table, down again. I will write the answer. Look at the table, up. First step, we can find the difference, 24 minus 8. The result will be 16. 16 divided by 4 equal 4. There are 4 children in the group, okay? The first step is the difference, 24 minus 8 equal 16. Then divide 16 by 4 equal 4. There are 4 children in the group. The difference of $16 in the first equation is the amount of money spent on child ticket. It is divided by the cost of the child's tickets in the second equation to find how many children are in the group. Now, the activity to find the answer, the question for you. This activity, we want to find the answer and then write the letter from up and down. Look at here. You can complete yourself to find the answer. Next page also review vocabulary. All things you know it, equation and product and quotient and all prime number. Review the answer with me. Check your answer quickly. And we have 3 times 927. You can complete this old solution by yourself. Page 154. Okay. And also we have here practice revision. All questions here revision. We explain it. We explained all this example last time. Okay, you can stop the video and solve by yourself, and then check again the answer to check your answer correct or not. We know 6 times 7 42 here. It was 54 divided by 9 equals 6. And but okay, we know 6 times 4 equals 24. It's even number. 9 times 1 equals 9. Would 8 times 7 equals 56. 8 times 7 equals 56. It's even number. 4 divided by 4 here equal 1. We have table 4 in number divided by itself equal 1, and 0 divided by 16 equals 0. And find the answer here. You can find subtract between the number. 14 minus 6 equal 8, and 3 times 8 equal 24. In this example we have 5 product by 9 equal 45. 5 row, each row contains of 9 elements. And the total will be 5 times 9 45, and the equation also 45 divided by 5 equal 9. We have 3 times 6. We can use their distributive property. 6 times 3, write 6 times 2 plus 6 times 1, because 3 equal 2 plus 1. You can use also 5 times 5 and 5 times 4. 5 times 5 25, and 5 times 4 20. 20 plus 25 equal 45. We have $12. Mr. Regis decided to pay more keyboards. That cost is $12. You know, look, this question can be like each other. The first 42. We have 4. 3 keyboards. 3 plus 4 7. 42 divided by 7 equals 6. And here's 12 divided by 6 equal to